Hello, my name's Anna and I'm an artist and illustrator living in Pontypridd. I love drawing people and I spend a lot of time practicing drawing and trying to get better at it. I've been asked by Rhondda Cynon Taf County Council to help introduce this competition, which is an opportunity for you to produce some artwork on the theme of Search for the Rainbow and get it out there to show people what you can do. The Search for the Rainbow competition is all about looking for the good things in life, even on grey days and during tough times. We want you to create an A4 sized artwork featuring rainbow colours to show how there are always pockets of brightness and happiness to look for. Make your artwork a visual representation of the glow, the rainbow, the magic that gets you through the grey days. There are two age categories, 14 to 18 and 19 to 25. I really enjoy drawing people, so I decided to make my artwork a self-portrait. Here are some other examples of my artwork. I've been using pencils a lot over the last couple of years, and although the portraits can take quite a long time, I find drawing and concentrating on a piece of work relaxing and fun. I also enjoy creating digital work for book illustrations and characters for clients. These are the tools I use the most for my portraits. This is a mechanical pencil. I love using these as you never have to sharpen them. You just click the end to get a really nice fine point, and it has a small eraser on the other end. You can buy replacement lead and erasers and just pop them in when you need to, so it never runs out. I also use some softer pencils. Here we have a 4B and a 6B. I use these to create darker tones and more intense shades. I also use a good quality metal sharpener. The plastic ones you get in pencil cases just don't work. These are blending stamps, which you can use to smudge and blend pencil marks. I use a nice soft eraser to clean up around my drawings, as there are always smudgy marks to rub out. I use this pen type ultra fine eraser to create highlights in hair and in eyes, etc. It's much more precise than using a big eraser. So here are the colour pencils that I like using the most, but you don't need expensive tools or materials to create art. There are amazing artists who produce brilliant work using biros, chalk, marker pens, and ordinary inexpensive pencils and paints. You can use anything to produce a portrait, so don't worry about buying new stuff too much. You could also incorporate some collage into your portrait, as it's a very easy way to get strong colours and shapes into the work for no cost. Here's a portrait I created using coloured paper alongside pencil, pen and chalk whilst I was exploring the Search for the Rainbow theme. Here's a video showing the process that I used to add rainbow colour to a portrait. I started with a portrait I'd drawn with graphite pencils and then added rainbow colour with my coloured pencils. I didn't think too much about where to add the colour, I just did it instinctively. This is my style of portraiture, but please don't feel restricted by the traditional way I use pencils. You can use a much more abstract or stylised way of drawing. So go ahead and put your own spin on the portraiture theme and come up with something colourful and uplifting or evocative. Submit your artwork to sonicyouthArts.co.uk. Include your name, your date of birth, your contact details, and the age category you fall into, 14 to 18 or 19 to 25. The closing date is the 11th of July 2022 at 11:30 p.m. Just give it a go, because we'd love to see what you can do. Thank you, bye, and good luck.